Because the water is too hot, the kids are requesting me to make a popsicle, and Marian, my daughter, especially likes watermelon. So in here we have 2 cups of diced watermelon, and we have seeds removed. And we also have 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. You can also use lime juice, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. So what we're going to do is just mix them all together and just blend it afterwards. Then just pour them into the popsicle molds, and when finished, we just put them in the freezer for 6 hours or more and have them frozen. So for the lulis or the popsicle to be easily removed from the molds, I just put some hot water in a bowl and soak them for like a couple of minutes, and that made the job easy. So now here is our popsicle, and it's looking good and the kids are happy with it.